Well, the weather is getting worse, you know, instead of getting better like the forecast said it's gonna be. So it's one of those days. At least here at this altitude it's pretty high, and up on the mountain it's not really good. Rain is it keeps raining, so I've hidden beneath this tree and I'm axing out more spoons. So I'm still here, you know. Everything is slippery and wet, not the ideal. And the rain is picking up again. Ideal. So here's another coffee scoop. And now I'm going to do the mini. So it's still raining, you know, foggy, raining, damp, but I'm pretty much okay underneath this tree, so I'll keep working. You know, it took me, I'm gonna tell you a secret now, well, maybe not a secret, but it took me 44 years to realize this, and what success is. It's high tolerance to failure. This is my definition. High tolerance to failure. That's success. So you will succeed only if you have high tolerance to failure, because when you start anything you're gonna fail, and you're gonna fail again, and you're gonna fail, you're going to be bad at it. When people tell me, oh, you're so talented, no, I'm not. Don't insult me, you know. Talent would presume that I was born with something and I'm just doing it. No, I was shitty at making spoons, and when I started I thought, my God, how stupid can you be not being able to make a spoon or something. But I did another and another, and I did my best, and I, you know, so and I was prepared to be ridiculed a bit, to look funny, and I still look funny to some people. I mean, here in the woods and so forth. But I chose my life, and I chose to lead it the way I want to. So you gotta be brave, and that's the only way you're gonna succeed in anything. And that's especially for the young people, because I mean, they're playing the games and PlayStations. I have a son, and I see all these things, and they have really low attention span, and you know, and they expect everything to go right away. I mean, if I don't succeed right away, I'm just going to give up. No, you're never going to succeed that way, you know. So high tolerance to failure. That's it, you know. This is why I'm still here, you know. You just gotta push through everything that happens, you know. I mean, it was really bad earlier. I was feeling bad. I didn't want to do it anymore. I thought about quitting everything, and but I persevered. I said, stick with it, you know. You gotta toughen up, you know, and just do your work. And now it seems rain is a bit lighter, so I'm continuing with my work. I'm done some work, and I'm gonna succeed today in the end, you know. And then when I come back home after all this cold, and I'm gonna feel much better than if I just stayed at home, you know, stayed in my comfort zone, and nothing would happen. Now, this is what I want to tell to younger people also, to my son, and to just, you have to be brave. You have to stick to things when they are bad, and you know, after rain like this, there's all going to be sun. So it's going to be good and better. You're going to feel better than if you stuck back at home and in your comfortable bed and everything. So nothing would happen today for me. So, and I'm making some spoons. I'm going to make some people happy, and hopefully they're going to like the spoons. And so if you like my work, like my spoons, buy something. Just message me and I'll make you a spoon here. That's what I do. And finally the sun is out. Feels good and warm now. Well, I'm finally done for today. Managed to do quite a bit of work. So success. Going home,